In front of me is INFINIX Hot 60i, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store and download free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Not sponsored, by the way. Wait for the pop-up. Hit consent. And my favorite part is this gear at the top left corner to adjust your wallpaper however you want to, thanks to all of those options. You can check it out at the top or click on this X at the top right corner to fully see it. Then go back to Wallpaper settings the same way. My favorite option though is to click on Presets on the left and check out all of those. This is my favorite one. Make sure to adjust it to your liking. And when you finish, click on this X at the top right corner to access those three lines at the bottom right corner. Hit Set as Live Wallpaper. Choose Yes. Hit Set Wallpaper and decide where by clicking on one of those options. When you finished, just close your app. As you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!